Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to change opacity. So for example, I will insert image. You can click this camera icon and then I will use this image. You can resize and click OK to apply. Click cancel. And the next, if you want to change opacity from this image, you can go to the layer, you can select the layer image, and then you can click at these icons, move to the left to change the opacity, like this. Then you can click outside. Okay, to change, you can go to layer option, and then you can choose these tools to change the opacity of the selected layer. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to change opacity. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.